So let's get to the point. If you are a software developer and if you have not been living under a rock, you have probably heard a lot of times that AI is going to take away your jobs. You open LinkedIn, you open news portals, everywhere, left and right, people are talking how software developer jobs are no longer safe. Now in today's video, we are going to talk deeply about this topic and debunk some myths around AI and its effect on your jobs. So let's get started. Let's first try to debunk the myth that AI is going to replace you as a developer or AI is going to take away your jobs. According to World Economic Forum, there's a prediction that by 2027 there are going to be 69 million new jobs because of AI. And most of these jobs are going to be in the tech sector. And not only that, the US Bureau of Labor Statistics predicts that between 2021 and 2031, there is going to be a rise in software developer jobs by 25%. So as you can see by these predictions, that there is not going to be any shortage of new jobs in software development. It's just the way that we are doing it right now is going to change substantially over the years. Now what's gonna change? We are going to talk about that next. Now let's talk about what AI does for the developers. If you are a software developer, you can make efficient use of tools like ChatGPT and GitHub Copilot to help you write cleaner, better, efficient code. According to an analysis by GitHub, by using GitHub Copilot, you can be up to 55% more efficient in coding. Now, what do these tools like ChatGPT and GitHub Copilot do? Some of the common use cases of GitHub Copilot are code completion, given a set of commands in the form of a comment, code generation, and given a code block, documentation generation. Now, how ChatGPT can enhance your workflow is by helping you track problems faster and better. Let's say you're working on a problem and you get stuck somewhere. You are not able to find the technical solution for that. Now in the pre-AI era, how would you generally go about solving this problem is going to different websites like Stack Overflow, trying to read technical documents and trying to get sense of what this problem is and trying to understand what this solution is trying to do and what the actual problem is, and is this solution even solving the problem. Let's say if you got a solution to the problem, if you try to understand how this solution is solving this problem, you can have a hard time trying to understand on your own. This is where ChatGPT shines. If you give the right prompts and the right question to ChatGPT and ask it to give a solution for a given problem and also ask it to explain what this solution is and how this solution is implemented, and also help you understand a step-by-step guide for this solution, it will help you do that. And this is how understanding solutions to technical problems become much more efficient using a tool like ChatGPT. Now these new wave of AI tools are not just limited to code completion and code generation per se. There are a plethora of new tools which help you debug code, write documentation based on code, test code, as well as help you in forecasting a project. We have this tool called Deep Code for debugging. We have Testim for automating tests. We have Swim for generating documentation and keeping them in sync with the code. And we also have a tool called Forecast, which forecasts your software development processes. Now, if you look at it holistically, these tools are not here to take away your jobs. These tools are here to help you out and help you be efficient in whatever you are doing. Now at this point, you can probably say that you have heard of people making full-fledged applications from scratch just using AI. While this is definitely possible, this is not the complete story. It's true that you can use various tools for different components of software development. You can use a tool like Cursor, which takes natural language as an input and generates output for you. For API generation, you can use something like Postman's API Assistant feature. You also have many tools for workflows and so on and so forth. But the bottom line is, even with all these tools available, you need human oversight and supervision to be able to build secure, safe, and perfect applications. Also, you need to be able to give the right and correct prompts to different AI models so that they can generate the right thing for you. If you don't know how to ask the right questions, how will you get right answers for them? And that brings me to the next point, the rise of product engineers. Product engineers are engineers who are not focused just on coding stuff. They are engineers who are taking ownership of the entire product end to end. Right from design, implementation, testing, validating the product, and taking the complete ownership of the product. Now the bottom line is, even though AIs have become extremely powerful and capable today, they simply can't replace the software developers. The way humans can innovate, the way humans can collaborate, the way humans can have intuition about things, AI simply can't have those. Now, as the saying goes, any tool is as good as the person who is using that. Now it's up to us how we are using AI to the best of its capabilities in our favor. So let's just embrace this change and use AI in our favor. We should be able to use the AI tools such that it makes our lives easier, and let's not get scared by AI's intervention in our lives. This was all for this video. If you like this video, please click the like button. Please also consider subscribing to this channel, and I will make sure that I create good stuff for you. Thank you.